thread sheet. All right, guys. So let me welcome everybody. Today, Annie will be unboxing a very nice watch, which is here. It's called Stamps, and you can see it's in animal print. So she's wearing matching clothing, and she's gonna put it together. Okay, so we'll need to unbox it and see how it goes. Oh, this is a very nice bracelet, which I think serves as the bracelet for the watch. This is the bracket to hold this face, and that's the stamp watch itself. Oh, it looks lovely. It looks wonderful. Let me just show it next to your necklace. Oh well, very nice. All right, let's put it together. So let me just show you how flexible this bracelet is. All right. Oh, you attach it like this, yeah? Okay. All right, so it's not that difficult. And now the face of the watch needs to be placed there. Oh, lovely. Okay, let me just show it quickly in the light before you put it on. It's really wonderful. Okay, so try it on. Oh, how cool. Let me see it in the light here. Oh, very lovely. Okay.
And what's nice, you can change either bracelet or the watch. So
All right.
you can have a few sets.
So you can actually have the bracelet or the watch itself, yeah?
Yes. And you can change. You can have another bracelet, for example, for this watch.
Which
Doesn't
looks
have
very
to be
cool.
this one.
All right.
It's
So
very nice.
can you show it in the light again?
Yes, of course. I can take it off.
Looks really cool. Okay.